Next, one student named with Durga. Durga is there in this session. Yes, Durga is there. Durga asked one question. Now you have to tell the answer. Durga's question, now I'm asking to you. Sir, I'm getting the money at low interest. I'm getting the money at low interest. Can I use this money to get higher returns? Are you getting my point, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm getting the money at a bit low interest. Okay. Next, I want to use this money for higher returns activity. Okay, one question. Second question is, sir, I want to buy a house. I want to buy a house. I have money is there, but I can go for loan also. Then what I will do is, loan is available at very less interest, right? That's why I will take the loan. Under this money, I will invest somewhere else. Two scenarios I'm explaining. Are you getting my point, right? First point, getting money at low interest and use this for higher returns. Next, so I have money is there, full cash, money is there. I can use this money to buy without loan, to buy a property without loan. But a house loan is available at 7%, 8% interest only. It's too good, right? Least, then why I have to miss that opportunity? Let me take and use this money somewhere else. Among is this approach the correct approach or wrong approach? As per our discussion.
So
Durga.
Okay.
Durga, are you there? We discussed a long time before about this type of thing.
Yes, sir.
You only asked this question. Have you remembered, right? Almost few couple of months before. Now you have clarity, right? Can you please answer? Is this approach the correct approach or not correct?
Not correct, sir.
100%. Okay. What about the remaining people opinion?
I mean, people think like that, sir. Okay, I'm getting interest like 1%. Someone promised me 5%. I'll invest so that I have nothing to lose. I'm just taking care, paying there. There are two things, right, sir? But technically, you see, like in news, like in Andhra, only there's a hot topic going on now, right? Like people sold many things, gave it. They're not left with anything now, right? So there may be some safe hedges like that you can keep. Yeah, it may work out, but it will not work out for everyone. So often what we do as a humans, like we think like, okay, yeah, someone is promising like flashy things. Okay, let me go and invest. Or herd mentality. My friend did, my relative did. Let me go and do. We did it. And end of the day, you are not getting anything. Money left from your pocket doesn't come to you very easily, right? It just goes away.
Correct.
Then you fall in a double trap now. You lost your money. You need to pay the money back. You are not having anything. So to pay that money again, you have to make some loans. You'll fall into the same debt trap again and again. It keeps repeating. It takes years together to get out of those kind of traps. Even in Bangalore, like even when I was studying in college days, I saw like some case like where someone did. They said, okay, yeah, invest. I'm going to put in trading. I'm a master trader. I'm going to do. He kept doing for 7 months. I saw like we never went there though, but it used to be very crowded. Someone took us. We just came back, and then after 7 months, he was gone, and people started striking, and there was nothing left actually. Right?
What is the use?
Yeah, no use.
So here the point is, you are taking money for the loan.
So we make the peace of mind.
Is it compulsory? You record to pay or not? You record to pay back or not? It's a mandatory. Compulsory. Without paying, you can't escape. But you are investing somewhere to get higher returns. So with some assumption, is there any guarantee 100% your expected results are going to come there? If everything is going to be happen as per wish, you won't be here, I won't be here. మనం అన్ని అనుకున్నట్టు జరిగితే అసలు మన ఇద్దరు ఎక్కడ ఎందుకుంటామన్నా? నేను ఈ క్లాస్ ఎందుకు చెప్తాను, మీరు ఈ క్లాస్ ఎందుకు అంటారు? వై ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్ దిస్ క్లాస్, వై యూ పీపుల్ ఆర్ లిజనింగ్ దిస్ క్లాస్? Are you getting my point? So if you are investing somewhere, okay, there is no guarantee. Compulsory your assumptions are going to work. Maybe out of 100, 1 time, 2 times or 10 times may work, but 90% of the times may not work. That is not in your hand also most of the time. But here you record to pay. Every month EMI. Okay, as long as your job is there, perfect. By mistake, that person job gone because of AI, because of that. What about his situation? Just because of AI, one Bangalore techie lost the job. He jumped from 9th floor. He did suicide because he has to pay EMIs, he has to pay, hand over the house. All those things are going to be happen. Then, so make sure debt free. Always recommended. Don't involve such type of things. Okay, by mistake, worst case, you got wonderful opportunity to utilize that. Just a short span. But until clearing that, don't sleep. Okay, so risk calculated, small risk you can take. But anyway, with your own money, you can dance anything, man. No one is going to ask. With people's money, if you are going to do, then you are responsible to answer for everyone. That's why debts is the very, 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 very dangerous trap. Take very special care.